Hello everyone and welcome. Today's topic is about the argv method of the sys module, which is used to retrieve the arguments for a Python program from the command line. And we will be using the Fibonacci sequence as our testing function. This method is useful for adding flags to the program or to ease the testing using the CLI. First, let's start with the Fibonacci sequence, and I will be using the recursive version. Let's declare our function first. As we know, the Fibonacci of 0 is 0 and the Fibonacci of 1 and 2 is 1. So we will be returning these values. Then let's build our recursive version. And here is our final function. To use this method, first let me import the sys module. This argv method is of list type. It will store each given input by the user in the command line inside a column of this list. The first element of this list is reserved to the file or the program, and starting from the second element, meaning the index 1, we will be storing our given inputs or arguments. First, let's print the length of this function or this method. In the command line, let's run our program. As we can see here, the length of this method right now is 1, or the length of this list is 1 because the first element stored is our file. Now, if we add another element, the length of this function becomes 2. If we add another one, it's 3 now. The way we retrieve the values is by indexing. So let's print this sys.argv, the first element. As you can see here, the length is 3. The first element is our file, the second element is 2, and the third element is 5. We will be using a variable to pass it to the Fibonacci sequence function. Let me declare from argv, and let's store our number of the index 1, and let's pass it to our Fibonacci function. Before printing, I will cast this variable into an integer. Let's test it. The Fibonacci of 0 is 0, the Fibonacci of 1, and then the Fibonacci of 3 is 2. And to be extra safe, let me wrap these two lines in a try except block. And this to prevent the problems if this program is run without inputs. Let's test it. As we can see here, no inputs were given or no arguments were given, so this exception is catched. This was the sys.argv method. I hope it was simple and clear, and that's it.